There was a time one of my staff, even the slab. She was trying to go by the rules, and I don't know what happened. She mistakenly stepped her foot on the slab and it broke with her. This facility was renovated of recent by Right Honorable Aminu Yakubu Ladan. He really tried for us because before even this my office there was no working fan and lights. But thank God now there are working fans, and also we currently have a scanning machine, which is a brand new scanning machine. We commend his efforts on that. But one of the challenges we are having regarding this scanning machine is that there is scanning machine, but there is no facility to work with it, like the stabilizer and generator. Even though we have generator, it's not in a good working condition. This is one of the challenges we are having. Secondly, we don't have enough seats for our clients to use in the health facility.
Since we became a ministry, the capital project has come back to us, and so we're planning to do a lot of things. When you see that some of the facilities have already renovated, the other one they are undergoing renovation. Like currently, as I'm talking to you now, all the focal facilities in Mashigo have been renovated. And then there are also facilities again we are currently undergoing. We're going to renovate 7 under the basic healthcare provision for the revitalization agenda.
We are happy with the renovation. At least the place looks new now, and it attracts more people to come. But the only problem we have, they brought in a scanning machine, and up to now the machines are not in use because there are no doctors to operate the machine.
Well, all facilities primarily are important, but we're doing it in stages. That's why there's a facility you go and see they are not being renovated. It's just that we didn't reach there. First and foremost, our emphasis is on focal facilities. Those ones that serve what? Once we finish, I will now go to primary care center that serve group of villages, and then from there I will now go to health clinics. Those ones that serve a particular village. So it's in stages. So currently we're on the basic healthcare provision fund.
The clinic is fine. They are treating us very fine. No any problem. Every time they used to come this place. Even my children are here at the border. 6. My children are 6 and born. Anyone are here.
When they come for antenatal, if you have large turnouts, you don't have enough seats for them to sit. You see, some of them will be standing. That is one of the challenges we are having here.
You've seen the toilet, the dilapidated soccer way. With this, I bet you there was a day we killed about 2 snakes there, and that is why we cannot use it, because we don't even encourage our patient to even use it because we are afraid of that thing. So many times, my health attendant will come and report me that I've seen snake, and me too. I'm living with her. There was a time we killed 1 snake there. So this year, government have to come to our aid so that one will not be the victim of a snake bite.
There are a couple number of things that remain, but the Ministry of Pharmacy tend to augment, like data reticulation, and then to represent some of those toilets and finish the lab. It's part of our project, Monday, that we're going to take it forward.